Today, we're talking about Vagisil Sensitive Scents. It's for women who have sensitive skin but love fragrance. The great thing about these products is that it's made with skin-friendly scents. They're tested by gynecologists. We do clinical studies. So here we have our lilac wash, we have our peach blossom wash, and we have our jasmine wash. We have bath bombs, and these I love. I look at these as relaxation, okay? So we have a peach blossom and we have a white jasmine. There's something about this product that it gives me energy. It rejuvenates me even after a long day. For the white jasmine, it contains the vitamin E, and for the peach blossom, it contains the chamomile. In addition to that, and this is what I call convenience, freshness, and confidence on the go. And this is our dry wash. And also it comes in a white jasmine, as well as my favorite, the peach blossom. What I love about these, it's freshness on the go. It's about convenience. It's about transitioning from the gym to school, from school to work. You do not have to stop, take a shower, go home. No, you keep one in your bag, you keep one in your gym locker. So I'm gonna actually demo with a pair of panties that I have in my hand right here. I'm actually gonna spray this, and this also can be sprayed on the vagina, on the outside, as well as on your panties. So I say about 8 inches away, but the idea here, pay attention, no white residue. Look at that. You're just good to go.